Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I aim to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how to make money with Bitcoin. For me, my crypto journey started about 4 to 5 years ago, where I got into crypto. And if you are on this channel, I suggest you subscribe and you also join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below. So I'll be guiding you on how to make money in crypto, not just in crypto, but specifically in Bitcoin if you're interested. Uh, the Telegram link is in the description below. Simply look for the Bull Run Telegram group or the Visionary DeFi Telegram group. So the best way to make money with Bitcoin, guys, like I've kept mentioning in the previous videos on this channel, Bitcoin and crypto is the new money. We will see the fiat currency, the dollar collapses, and we will lose the reserve currency. The dollar will lose its reserve currency, and that will take the rest of the fiat currency globally down with it. So Bitcoin will become, most likely will become the new reserve currency. It will replace the dollar, and we will have countries, businesses doing transaction with cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin. So the best way to, and I did advocate as well to turn all your fiat currencies, most of it, into cryptocurrencies, because the dollar is going to collapse very soon. So the best way to make money with Bitcoin, guys, is you need to have two separate holdings. One is for trading. You will use one holding for trading, and then you will use one, we call them bags. If you're new into the crypto space, guys, welcome. I'll see you in the Telegram. I'm more active in the Telegram. So you will need two separate holdings, one for trading and then one for holding long term, because I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach about $1 million per Bitcoin within this year. So as you trade one bag, you will have one position. So let's say, for example, you have two separate wallets. I don't recommend holding your Bitcoin on exchanges. I recommend holding them in your personal wallet to self-custody. Main reason is if it's if you haven't heard this term before, is not your keys, not your crypto. If you don't hold the keys, the seed phrases, then you don't really hold your crypto in your possession or your Bitcoin. So you will use one bag to trade Bitcoin with. So every time Bitcoin goes up, you will take some profits and expect a correction, expect price to drop a little bit, and then you will buy back again and continue to accumulate as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. And then as you take profits from your trading bags, then you will add it to your long-term holdings, and then you continue to accumulate. There is a premium signals that's available in our community if you're interested. Also, you can send me a DM after you've entered the Telegram group. Simply send me a message and I can get you into the premium segments. So my alias there, I have two aliases: Visionary DeFi or Mr. Will or Crypto Rich. So you will need to have two wallets to hold your. I know most people use the exchanges. You can use the exchanges to trade, and then you can keep the long-term bag, the long-term holding in your wallet. So I recommend Trust Wallet or MetaMask, or you can even use a Phantom wallet. So in a later video, I'll probably make a video on the best crypto wallets to have, so you can hold your crypto, because this is a wealth transfer. Crypto is about to create millionaires, billionaires. So if you are now just coming into crypto, guys, then this is an opportunity for you to become very, very wealthy in this wealth transfer that is happening. So I will continue to make more videos and guide you guys on how to accumulate more Bitcoin and how to accumulate other coins as well. So The best way is to have two holdings, one to trade and then one to long-term hold. So as you trade and you accumulate, because the chart is not always going to go up. It's going to go up, then it's going to come back down and continue to go up. So you can use these opportunities to accumulate more Bitcoin. So that's the best way to make money with Bitcoin. So instead of just holding, if you just have one position, one holding, you just holding long term, it's gonna be a wave of emotional roller coaster for you, because the price is gonna fluctuate. So you're not going to be taking advantage of these swings and of these positions. So what I recommend and advocate is to swing trade. You can also day trade, but I don't recommend leverage trade at all, because you're facing algorithms that knows your moves before you make them. So don't play that game. Just use spot tradings. So eventually you will accumulate more Bitcoin that way, because you will never lose your money if you trade spots. But if you trade leverage, the possibility of losing all your money and all of your fund is very high. It's at least 80%. So just only trade spots. If you trade spot, you will never lose your money. So the risk of losing money in Bitcoin is pretty much near zero, as long as you know what you're doing. So this is where I come in, and I will continue to guide you guys. For the newcomers, you can subscribe so you don't miss important videos, and I'll see you guys in the Telegram. Peace.